What up, my blushing glams? Sock up fit for me. It's your girl Blush, and I am back with another episode of Glam Chat. I told y'all I was gonna come back with another vlog at least 2 or 3 times this week. 3 might be pushing it, but at least I'm giving y'all number 2. So this video, I'm actually gonna be doing a vlog, tapping into my little influencer vibe. I see a lot of times other YouTubers are doing maintenance videos. Now, I don't get certain things done like fillers and things like that, but because we are only like about 4 to 5 days shy of my birthday, I thought I'd just go ahead and do like a quick vlog of me going to like the nail shop and any other things that's involved with me getting dolled up for my birthday. I really don't do like I used to do when I was younger, so it's actually been a while since I've gotten my nails done. Since the pandemic has taken place, I really kind of just do most things at home, DIYs and things like that. Most of you guys may already know I am a licensed nail tech, but I haven't practiced doing nails in years, so I kind of just do things on myself if I have the time. So anyways, yeah, so this is gonna be like a maintenance vlog, and any other things that I get into during the next couple of days, I will go ahead and add them on there. Don't forget, you guys, that I am doing a quick giveaway for my birthday. Again, it's nothing really big, but it's just something to give back to you guys for being loyal supporters, and also any upcoming supporters could definitely be able to join by simply being part of the Blushing Glam squad. That means you're subscribed to this channel. You're also following me on Instagram, which is handle blush_the THA icon. And then also you can comment on any one of the vlog videos that I am posting, which again is either going to be 2 or 3 this month. That's pretty much it. So right now I'm actually on my way to a nail appointment. I really wanted to go ahead and patronize one of my black nail techs. I do have one in mind that I wanted to go ahead and patronize. I actually used to work at her shop. She's in Fort Lauderdale, Eagle Nails. In case you guys are in that area, check her out. She's pretty good, thorough, and very neat with her work. But I'm really bad with setting up appointments and things like that, so I didn't get a chance to do that. But I will definitely make sure that I since I'm kind of getting back to doing, getting dolled up and stuff, I will definitely make sure that I patronize my girl. Yeah, but other than that, I'm just gonna be going to like a local nail shop that's close to me to do my nails. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm thinking about it, but y'all see when I come back out, if my lashes is done, that means I got my lashes done. So it'll be pedicure and my nails. That's pretty much it, y'all. I need a pedicure. My feet look toe up from the flow up. Like, man, it's embarrassing to even be called a woman with the way my feet looks. But yeah, I'm gonna get that right today. Yeah, that's it for now. My husband is supposed to be planning something for me tomorrow. I don't know what it is. I don't know how I should be dressed, so I'm thinking about probably just getting like a nice dress or something like that. Probably gonna go to the local mall, find something there, and I'll take you guys along. All right, see you guys in a few. All right, so yeah, say hi, OD. I'll be forgetting. She'll be in the back trying to be all in the video. All right, later. All right, you guys, I have arrived. I'm late. I'm so late, but so I'm trying this place out here. It's called
the trash, in your cash like I'm fast, like I'm girl, you wanna act like it is. Security codes on everything, on vibrate, sleep phone don't never ring. And another one he don't know about. Wish we could switch up the roles, and I could be there, tell you I love you, but when you call, I never get back. Would you ask them questions like me, like where you be at? 'Cause I'm out 4 in the morning.
Even while I'm getting my nails done, still gotta do, make sure education is first.
So you can see my homework. I didn't did it yet, so I just want to do it.
All right, y'all. So I got my nails done, and I like them. They're cool. But I must have been out the game for a while because I remember when going to get my feet and nails done only cost me like $60. I didn't spend a whole $135. All right, you guys. So we just came. Well, we came from the nail place maybe about an hour ago. I had to go freshen up real quick, so I got to make some other stops. So this is basically how my nails turned out. They turned out pretty cute, although I did want them a little shorter. And I didn't really ask for the stones, but she added them on there. So like I was saying earlier, you guys, I must have been out the game for a while because like I don't recall going to the nail store and spending like over $100 just for nails and feet. Or maybe I was spending that much money, and because I wasn't really like, or maybe I was spending that amount of money on nails and maintenance stuff when I was younger, and I just wasn't paying attention to it because I didn't have a specific goal for my money. But yeah, so anyways, I'm not gonna like press on it too much since I'm supposed to be pampering myself. But yeah, I can't complain too much for my nails. I can't complain too much for my nails. Oh yeah, and I also did my lashes. I just asked them to just kind of fill them in. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I usually put the strips in, so I figure like, I guess when I'm doing my makeup tomorrow or whatever I do for the rest of the remaining of the couple of days, I won't have to worry about lashes. I can just do makeup and lashes will already be there. But yeah, anyway, so basically in regards to my nails, they came out fine. Like I like them or whatever. But so I was trying to give Oderia like the little, pamper experience, so she could, know how it feels to pamper herself and go to get her nails done and stuff like that. So, they don't charge me $8 to do her nails, which is okay, whatever. It was just a polish change. And then I tipped the guy on top of that, so like it came up to like $13. But I came home, and do you guys believe that her nails literally started peeling off? Like, I don't know what the hell that's all about, because when I do her nails, we never had that experience. So I'll show you guys exactly what went on. Like, literally, she only has 2 nails that have polish on them. The rest of them literally chipped off.
Like right here. One there, one there.
That's crazy. All right, so I have some other stops. I'm gonna go ahead and handle those things and check back with you guys either by the end of tonight, Mommy, if I'm doing anything else. Again. Okay, Mama. By the end of tonight or tomorrow, later. Sorry if my lighting is off. I'm not sure what is going on with the light. But anyway, so day 2. I just got through recording a fragrance video, so I hope you guys like that. You guys know I give all the teas when it comes to the fragrance, so make sure you guys catch that video when it does launch. So today's day 2. It's Sunday, June 27th. I told you guys before that my husband had told me to keep my day open for Sunday, so we're getting ready to do whatever it is that he has on the agenda. He wants to keep it a secret, I guess. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready. Apparently it's something that does require me to wear a bathing suit and possibly get wet, so it's kind of defeated the whole purpose of me doing my hair, but that's okay. We all live to be cute, right? All right, so let me go ahead and start freshening up so we can head out, so that I'm not always the late person. And I'll catch you guys up when we get to wherever it is that we're getting to. Later. Hater. Okay, you guys, so my husband just left to get something, so he said, and now I am basically waiting for him to come get me. I wish I could show you guys what I'm wearing, but I guess with me holding the phone I may not be able to, but I'm gonna try. This is a bathing suit. He said he didn't get it for me, so I'm guessing it's either sister-in-law or my sister, one or the other. These shorts, I think I got them from Discovery. This belt came with the bathing suit. These shoes were given from my sister-in-law, brother's girlfriend, whatever. And this purse, I think I got it, I don't remember where I got it from, but yeah, so that's the fit. Hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah. All right, later. All right, y'all, the cat's out the bag. So, because we were having difficulties finding parking in the area that we were at, we basically bumped into the other people that was part of the surprise, which was my sisters-in-laws, brother-in-laws, brother-in-law, my sister, and my little cousins. So it looks like we're gonna be going to a boat, right? Or is it still a surprise? He's feeling salty because I still don't know what the surprise is though. I just know we're walking, but I figure it's gonna be a boat. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah, we had to, like, parking was so crazy where we were at the public parking. So now we had to go to like one of the nearest hotels and do valet parking there. And we're gonna be walking to our destination. So once we get there, I'll let you guys see the outcome. Sleeping and salty?
Yeah.
I'm here for it. So lit. Hey, I got it on, let's go. We're going to use there. Alright, guys, I'm going back to the deck. So yeah, I was right, you guys. Hey, you having fun? You enjoying yourself? I'm enjoying myself.
You are the one that has to be enjoying yourself.
Alright now. Hey, so in case y'all don't know, this is Cousin Lele. That's on my YouTube so you don't. Okay. Okay.
Nasikia munu ba kafe kamera. Y'all in the open area. I cannot swim in that big ass water.
All these men keep looking at me. So I'm trying to make it hard for a G. Gotta get your big head now. Hold you. You know, run the game on the back and let it my A-A-R-A. Run up on me. Hey, 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 hey. No, 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 right? Hey! Open, you got that, Syria?
Hey y'all, so it is the day after the next. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to close out yesterday's vlog, but it was a lituation, as most may call it. I had such an amazing time yesterday. If I didn't get a chance to, because I know I was like gone a little bit. If I didn't get a chance to kind of thank everyone that participated, anyone that put in, anyone that came together, anyone that gave an idea, or whatever the case is, I just want to take the time out to say thank you. So, as you guys may have already known, so yesterday I had a little surprise. So apparently my sister had pretty much hosted and put together like a little boat party for me, and everybody was pretty much involved in the surprise. So it was very nice. I needed it because y'all know, like I say, I'm at work like all the time. So this was kind of a way for me to let loose, have a good time, no worries, in the sun. I'm a sun and a moon goddess all at once. So anytime that I can spend a little bit of time in the sun, I am like sucking it all in. We were in the waters. There was drinks, there was food, there was music, there was dancing. It was just a good time. But yeah, I mean, like I totally enjoyed my little birthday celebration. I was actually gonna do some other little maintenance things today. I was actually gonna work on that DIY, that DIY teeth whitening, the flossy, and some other stuff like some facial things. But y'all, I'm just kind of tired today. I just want to chill. Like my hair is just like, y'all remember how I was looking yesterday? I was cute. And now like, yeah. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and close out the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And until we speak again later.